Here's a step-by-step guide to setting up Ninja Tables Pro on your WordPress site. 1. Install Ninja Tables Pro. Step 1. Install free version required. Go to Plugins, Gives, Add New, search for Ninja Tables. Click Install Now and then activate. Step 2. Install the Pro Addon. Download the Ninja Tables Pro plugin from your account on the wpmanageninja.com website. Go to Plugins, Gives, Add New, Gives. Upload plugin, upload the .zip file, and click Install Now. Then activate. Step 3. Activate license. Go to Ninja Tables Gives. Settings. Enter your license key found in your WP Manage Ninja account. Click Activate 2. Create a new table. Go to Ninja Tables Gives, All Tables Gives. Click Add Table. Enter a table name. Description optional. Then click Add 3. Add data to table. You have 3 options. A. Manual table. Use the visual editor to add columns and rows manually. Click plus Add column to define headers. Click